next song is called The Other Me, and it's the title track from the new album. And The Other Me is a version of myself that I think I felt in my journey into motherhood, that I had this notion of, it's brilliant, I'm so excited, it's something we've dreamed about doing, and I'll just keep everything in my life going as it was, because I'm really good at multitasking, and I'm going to fit this other thing in, even though it's bigger than my entire life already, that will just fit in perfectly, it will just slot into all the gaps. And then just realised very quickly that isn't the case. And trying to hold on to that sort of other me, like a past version of myself, was only going to leave me in misery. And so recognising that made everything so much nicer. And I know that isn't the case for everybody, but that's what this song sort of represents, that is the other me. Toys fill every corner, and the corners of my mind start to cast aspersions on who it was who chose this time. Each day, my shoes will lead me to a place I had determined. Decisions are forgotten, still I will return, and I'll throw my heart open. Our life will be more than it's ever been. I would never endeavor to dare to question me. I'm too afraid to lift this rock for the fear of what I'll see. It's too big a room to enter, too vast a sky to stand beneath. And I'm holding on so very tightly to all that I believe. I'll throw my heart open, all I will be more than it's ever been. When I'm afraid in the dead of the night, I'll dare to admit my decision was right. I'll let go of the enemy. Acting out the roles I cast in the stories I created. Many faces, people, places, with plans that I collated. Now our life is within these four walls, and we'll keep